A word of the day. Hey guys, I'm Yashwant and you're watching Yashwant Speaks. So today, a word of the day. Our word today is gratify, spelled as Gratify. The phonetic sound of this word is grat-e-fy. Definition: to give pleasure and satisfy someone. Part of speech. This word is a verb. Other related form: gratifying, gratified. Now, for clear understanding, let me use them in sentences. Sentence number 1. It is our responsibility to gratify our parents by our good behaviors. Sentence number 2. I feel gratified when I make videos daily for my channel. So, stay tuned. You're watching Yashwant Speaks and I'm Yashwant signing off. Bye-bye. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new word.